This is our London-inspired look on Wanderlust. We're gonna start off sectioning this look straight through the back with a center line from the front of the hairline to the nape. And we're gonna start about 2 inches from the hairline. And we're gonna take a cat's eye section following the curve of the head into the nape and secure it up. Then we're gonna divide the hair left out into 5 sections. You're gonna have a fringe, 2 sides and 2 back sections. And that's all gonna be dictated by, again, the size of the model's head, how much hair, so on and so forth, and up to you, really. So once we have everything sectioned out, we are now going to start on the right panel. You're gonna notice Luke is gonna leave the hairline out and then take a really fine section right up into that foil. And what he's gonna do now is start to apply his first formula. And we're gonna kind of work 5 foils back, leaving some hair out in between, really stacking these foils, leaving small sections of hair out, 5 formulas up, and we're gonna alternate between Formula 1 and 2. And Formula 1 is our HLPN, or our 12-stroke 8-0, 1 ounce of that. Our HLP 12-stroke 8-6, 1 ounce of that. And we're gonna work with 30 volume cream developer, a 1-to-2 ratio, 1 parts high lift to 2 parts developer. So you have 2 total ounces of color with 4 ounces of cream developer. And we're gonna mix that with 30 volume. That's gonna give us our shimmer. And formula number 2 is gonna be our 7-stroke 7-3, 1 ounce of that, plus our clear booster, 1 ounce, 30 volume Paul Mitchell cream developer. That clear boost is just gonna give that 7-stroke 7-3 a little bit more energy, and again, provide a little bit more shimmer, but a little bit more depth in our high lift formula. So we're just gonna repeat and alternating those foils, working up the side of the head, leaving a little bit of hair out, and alternating our 2 formulas throughout. So we're gonna repeat that section all the way up. So now we're repeating that on the other side, really following that pattern, placing those foils up. And again, do not forget to leave some sections out around the hairline and some hair in between each foil. Once those sides are done, we're gonna now go work up into that fringe area. And we're gonna move to that front panel, and you're gonna notice Luke is gonna take a small little section out of the hairline. He's gonna leave that untouched, and then he's gonna work behind that in the second section. And what he's gonna do there is start out with formula number 1 on the hairline. So again, all these colors are applied off a base, leaving some natural regrowth color out. Not really going in and attacking the root with this formula, but formula number 1 is our HLPN 1 ounce, HLP 1 ounce, that gives us 2 ounces of the high lips. And then we're going in with 30 volume Paul Mitchell cream developer in a 4 ounce ratio around that hairline. And then we're gonna alternate formula number 2, 7-stroke 7-3, 1 ounce, plus 1 ounce clear booster, plus 30 volume cream Paul Mitchell developer. Just alternating those formulas, leaving a little slither of hair out in between each. Is perfect. Once we're done that front hairline, we're gonna move to the back panel, and we're gonna apply 3 foils using the diagonal slice application. So you're just gonna take small diagonal slices, and And we're gonna, again, alternate between formulas 1 and 2. Formula number 1 is our 12-stroke 8-0 plus 12-stroke 8-6. 1 ounce of each, which gives us 2 ounces to 4 ounces Paul Mitchell 30 volume cream developer. That's gonna work up those back section. And then our second foil will be our 7-stroke 7-3 1 ounce plus 1 ounce clear booster plus 30 volume cream developer. It's going to be sandwiched in the middle. And then our next foil again would be formula number 1. We're going to repeat that on both sections in the back. We're now going to apply formula number 3 to all remaining hair roots. A little bit of warmth with a little bit of coolness, really giving us a nice rich, again, we're working with shimmer here, we're working with light. It's gonna give us a nice little rich end result that you guys will see and love.